that these modules, are, we're navigating to the modules, and when we click on that module, right, we encode the URL, the ID of the module as part of the URL. You can see that? Now, I don't know if you see a flicker. You see that flicker when I click on it? Right, it kind of flickers for a second. I don't know if the Hangout is fast enough to capture the flicker, right? And that's happening because we are manipulating the href, right, and the native href, and even though the state of the application hasn't changed, no, the URL hasn't actually changed, right? And ideally, if the URL hasn't changed, I would want to ignore the changes, right? If it's the same URL, I like to stay in the same place. There's nothing to do. There's no, the data should be identical, right? There's no point in re-rendering, but it is re-rendering. It is re-rendering as if we were navigating to that URL for the very first time. All right, so to fix that, right, we could use, instead of using href, we could use router link. So router link is the same thing as href, behaves exactly like href, but the difference is that it's a little smarter than href, right? If we're navigating to the same identical URL, right, then the state should not have changed, so there's no point in re-rendering the screen, right? So now, right, notice how smooth it is now, right? That it is the rendering happens, that if there's no need to re-render anything, right? There's no flicker, so that's much better. Okay.